Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander SE. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mitsubishi is a steal with less than 8,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cargo package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.